Slovenian tourism has broken a number of records in the last 2 years. Slovenia has become renowned as a sustainable destination for 5-star experiences. The development of green tourism has been boosted significantly by the Green Scheme of Slovenian Tourism, one of the Slovenian Tourist Board's most successful projects. The Green Scheme currently includes over 40 destinations and providers. Our sustainability efforts have brought Slovenia the title of the world's first green country and won the Slovenian Tourist Board a National Geographic World Legacy Award. We are promoting tourism in close collaboration with the tourism industry. Together, we've successfully presented Slovenia in 30 countries across the globe. One of the most notable examples of these efforts was this year's presentation of Slovenia as a convention and culture partner at STB Berlin, the world's leading travel trade show. A great deal of attention was attracted by our business events in the US and Moscow. We're also promoting the country to foreign tour operators right here in Slovenia. This year's 20th anniversary of the Slovenian Incoming Workshop was marked by a record number of new participants. We know the importance of media exposure to Slovenia's visibility. Over the last 2 years, we've hosted nearly 900 foreign journalists and influencers and organized 270 study trips. Our tourism ambassadors help us promote Slovenia across the globe. We take great pride in our ambassador Ana Rocha's recognition as the world's best female chef. We foster excellence in tourism by supporting innovative, high-value-added tourism products. Each year, we present the Snovalets Award for Outstanding Concepts and the Sejolets Award for Top Achievements. In partnership with Slovenian businesses and destinations, we arranged for the Tour of Slovenia cycling race to be broadcast and advertised for the first time ever on the Eurosport TV network. 113 million people watched the race and got to see some of Slovenia's many attractions. 2 years ago, we decided to focus strategically on digital content marketing. The outstanding results of our digital campaign, through which we reached over 70 million people, serve as proof that we made the right decision. We've revamped Slovenia's central tourism portal. Since its launch in December 2016, the portal has been visited by 1.75 million new users. We are also promoting Slovenia through various social networks, where we're seeing exceptional growth and user engagement. We've sent out more than 360 email newsletters to the local and international public to keep them informed of the latest developments in Slovenian tourism. Last but not least, our promotional efforts include publishing digital catalogues and printed publications in 17 languages. The results of the past 2 years are very encouraging, with more than 26 million overnight stays recorded. We've also seen an increase in the tourism export value generated, which grew 4.4% last year. In the years ahead, Slovenian tourism will face a number of challenges. The Slovenian Tourist Board will continue its efforts to make Slovenia even more visible as a sustainable destination for 5-star experiences. We invite all stakeholders of Slovenian tourism to create products and offerings that will exceed tourists' expectations 365 days per year.